Is your family bored of sitting around at home? Are your kids acting out because they have nothing to do? Is everywhere you want to go too expensive? At Gwinnett County Public Library, you can check out park passes with your card and take your family and friends to fun places for free. Get outside and connect with nature at the Chattahoochee Nature Center in Roswell. You can save up to $40 on admission for four to the Chattahoochee Nature Center. Go for a hike or take in a scenic view at one of Georgia's many beautiful state parks. You can save up to $50 on admission for four to Georgia state parks. Take a road trip down to Perry, Georgia, and learn about wildlife conservation at the Go Fish Education Center. Your library card can save you up to $28 on admission for four to the Go Fish Education Center. Visit the animals at Zoo Atlanta with our very popular pass that includes free admission for 3 people. You can save up to $90 on admission for 3 to Zoo Atlanta by checking out our pass. Planning a trip? Instead of buying a travel guide, check one out from us and save your money for souvenirs.
With your GCPL library card, worry no more. That's right, no money down, 0 monthly payments, and $0 shipping and handling when you visit the Gwinnett County Public Library. All this and more at your local library. Call now at this number or go to our website for more information.